What's up, guys? I'm going to show you quickly one of the new features in Friend Connector Pro. Basically, this will help you weed out spammers and bots and also make offers and sales at the same time without wasting any of your time. So if we load the extension here, you can see these dots up in the corner. So this is pretty much the settings panel. And in here we have segments, groups. We can delete our pending friend request to keep that cleaned up. If you want to remove your friends, you can do that here and start from scratch. But we're going to go to settings, and this is the panel we're going to focus on. Send message when you receive a new friend request from someone. So this is going to go out anytime someone sends you a friend request, and basically you can customize this message to say whatever you want. I like to keep it simple and conversational. That way, if someone sends me a request, I say something simple like, "What's up? First name, thanks for the friend request. How's it going today?" They're going to probably reply back, right? So in that case, I'll find out if they're trying to cold pitch me, if they're a bot, or just trying to spam me. And if not, if it's a valid connection, we can continue the conversation from there. So I'm going to show you kind of one of these messages that was pretty funny that came as a result of this. So we'll look at this here, and I'll drop this video below as well on the next post so you can watch how it unfolded. So I got a message, I got a friend request on Sunday at 2:44 p.m. and this is the auto response that went out. So you can see she responded pretty quickly. I already checked her profile out right at this point, and I really wasn't going to respond because I saw she was like super into Bitcoin and Forex and stuff like that, which those are the people you typically just want to block because they're just going to spam you, right? So by 2:46, I had already made my decision, but she hit me with the 3 question marks a little later, right? So I'm like, all right, let's see what's going on. So I said, "Good, I'm Derek from Iowa." She said, "It's nice meeting you." I said, "You too." She said, "Here comes the pitch," right? She waited a whole 4 sentences and then went with the hard sell on Forex trading. And I have heard of it before because it's pretty common to be spammed by people promoting this. And she said, "Have you benefits from Forex trading before?" Which I'm not sure what that means. But I was like, no, I buy real estate and index funds for the long-term wealth and tax benefits. I'm not into trading, which is taxed heavily. And she says, "You know, you can make up to $30,000 daily in Bitcoin mining directly to your Bitcoin wallet bank account or any withdrawal details you wish to," which again, I'm not sure what that means. So I just said, laugh out loud. Then she starts hitting me with these social proof payments. And I said, I could also hit the Powerball, but I don't play because it's just a tax on the poor. She hits me again. I said, I can also make screenshots showing anything I want in Canva. She hits me again and again. Like more of the same is going to do something to change my mind. So I said, "You want to jump on a Zoom call and show me inside of your account live?" Because if she can really make these kinds of profitable transactions, I'd be interested in seeing that, right? I'll jump on a Zoom call. She says, "These are some of my clients that just got their profit hours ago through Bitcoin with my help." So those are her client. I said, "How much do you make? Would love to see inside your account on a call." Then she says, "My commission is only 10% of the total profit when I trade for you, while you get 90% of the total profit plus the amount you invested." So she's doing all this for other people, right? And only taking 10%. So if you got the skills to make this kind of money, why would you only take 10% of it, right? That doesn't make much sense. So that's what I told her. I said, "Why don't you just trade yourself?" And then I was on mobile, right? So I went into Canva on mobile and just made my own little screenshot. "Payment successful, $1 million made to Derek Johnson." And then I told her, "You should check out this software though if you do a lot of messenger sales. It's another asset I created for passive income that helps people send 50 to 100 targeted friend requests per day and automate messages and follow-up." Then I dropped the link. So she can come here and actually sign up for this and save a lot of time and spam even more people if that's what she wants to do. Or she could learn how to actually help people with something and solve a problem, and then she could do that at scale, which I recommend that route. But that's just kind of a funny one, so I'll drop that video below as well. So the key here is within 2 minutes, without my input, this message goes out automatically once this is set up. I got a response and then was able to just quickly go to her profile here, and I'll show you how spammy it looks. So we got Bitcoin mining expert DM to get in now. Beware of scammers. So that's kind of funny. And then all of her links here, Forex, Forex, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Forex, Forex, Bitcoin. And that's all her profile is. Quick money. So you can easily find out if people are spammers. And that's just one feature of Friend Connector. So we'll jump into some other ones in the next video, and I'll see you on those.